Good morning, all of you. Today we are discussing chapter 2, math of class 10, magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current, that means MEEC. The term magnetic effect of electric current means that an electric current flowing in a wire produces a magnetic field around it. Dear student, that means electric current can be produced magnetism. There is some example like a nail which is connected over coil of insulated copper wire and connected with battery 4 pole 1/2 volt. A teeny iron nails are attracted when current passes through this wire to nail. This is a teeny iron nails is attracted. That means what produce, how it works. That means an electric current flowing in a wire produces a magnetic field. There is a magnetic field produced in the wire, so it attracts teeny iron nails. A scientist, hence, or a state also work for magnetic effect of electric current. You must take a cardboard and a conductor wire put inside it, and there are some iron fillings or when it connected with electric circuit. If there is no current flowing through it, then there is no changing in it. But after producing current, if you see switch is on, then current flowing through this conductor wire, positive terminal to negative terminal. Then these iron fillings makes concentric circles. This type. This is due to magnetic effect of electric current. That's when in it magnetic fields are produced. That's when in it magnetic fields are produced. But another example, if you take any insulated copper wire or coil else and it connected to an electric circuit, when switch is on, current flowing through positive terminal to negative terminal. If you take a bar magnet, North Pole and South Pole, and to and fro front of this conductor wire, you see its needle is deflected. That means its pole is deflected, magnet is deflected. Magnet is deflected. Magnet is deflected. This is called magnetic effect of electric current. Another scientist used another type of effect called EMI, electric magnetic induction. That means if you take this arrangement, that's means coil and connect it with a LED bulb. If you take a bar magnet, after to and fro, the electric current flowing through it, and this electric bulb is glued. That means what? In this circuit, current circuit current is produced. This current is called induced current. This current is called induced current. Now, next topic is a magnet. What is magnet? A magnet is an object which attracts pieces of iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. You already seen magnet, various type of magnets: bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, rectangular magnet, ring magnet, that's the circular magnet. This is a magnet. It attracts iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. Next is a bar magnet. A bar magnet is a long rectangular bar of uniform cross section which attract pieces of iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. And next, the end of a freely suspended magnet. If you hold magnet with the string, the end of a freely suspended magnet which point towards the north direction is called north pole of the magnet. This indicates north direction, so this pole is called north pole. And the end of a freely suspended magnet which point towards the south direction is called south pole of the magnet. If it shows the direction, indicate the direction of south pole, that means this pole is called south pole of the magnet. Okay, dear student, the next topic is now it has been found by experiment that like magnetic poles repel each other and unlike magnetic pole attract each other. That's means what? You take a bar magnet, south pole is here and north pole is here, and another bar magnet is north pole is there and south pole is here. Both poles are same. Then this pole and this pole is like pole, so it repel. That means not attract, but repel. That may be concerned. If a bar magnet, south pole, north, and this is south pole and this is north pole, then it attracts to each other. Attracts to each other. That means like pole repel each other. Like pole means south pole and north pole repel to each other. Whereas unlike magnetic poles attract each other. Unlike magnetic poles, it attract each other. This means that north pole of a magnet repel the pole of another magnet, but the north pole of the magnet attracts the south pole of another magnet. But the north pole of a magnet attracts the south pole of another magnet. These days, magnets are used for a variety of purpose. Magnets are used in radio. You see a speaker of radio, television, stereo speakers, in refrigerator doors, or audio and video cassettes tape, on hard disk and floppies for computers, and in children's toy. Magnets are also used in electric generators and electric motors. The magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, you already heard MRI is a medical, it is used to medical treatment. That means a magnetic resonance imaging MRI technique which is used to scan inner human body parts. MRI is a technique to scan inner body parts in hospitals, also uses magnets for its working. Dear student, the next topic is magnetic field. Dear students, the next topic is magnetic field. The space surrounding a magnet in which a magnetic force is extended is called a magnetic field. Dear student, a scientist named Hans Ørsted take a cardboard and insert a conductor wire in cardboard and conduct and connect it with a circuit and there is some iron fillings, powder of irons is put on the cardboard. Hence, Ørsted seen when switch is on, the current passes through positive terminals to negative terminals. That means this time the direction of this. Then these iron fillings take a shape into circles. Also we know concentric circles. This type. The direction of magnetic field at a point is the direction of a resultant force acting on a hypothetical north pole placed at that point. What is the direction of this magnetic field? This is the magnetic field, but how we find direction of the magnetic field? This direction is built on a special rule called right hand thumb rule. I am not says Fleming right hand rule or Faraday right hand rule. Only right hand thumb rule. If you take conductor at this type on your right hand, if the direction of thumb is the current direction of current is according to thumb, then rest four fingers shows the direction of magnetic field lines. Shows the direction of magnetic field lines. That's mean this type. Direction of magnetic field lines is this type. Curve. And thumb shows the direction of current. Oh yeah. Again, the space surrounding a magnet in which magnetic field is extended is called a magnetic field. The direction of a magnetic field at a point in the direction of the resultant force taking on a hypothetical north pole placed at that point. Dear student, the magnetic field lines are the line drawn in a magnetic field along which a north magnetic pole would move. The magnetic field line are also known as magnetic line of force. The direction of magnetic field lines at any point give the direction of force on a north pole. The magnetic field lines always being the north pole of a magnet and in on the south pole of a magnet. Look here. You take a bar magnet. This is south pole and this is north pole. Dear student, the magnetic field line always being from north pole. It starts from north pole. Start from north pole and end with south pole. This type. This type. Dear student, and inside the magnet, however the direction of magnetic field line is from the south pole of magnet and north pole of the magnet. That means inner way. This side. In inner, not south to north, but outer north to south. Inside the magnet, again, inside the magnet, however the direction of magnetic field line from the south pole of a magnet to the north pole of a magnet, thus the magnetic field line closed curve. Magnetic field line of closed curve. This. This type. The magnetic field lines due to the bar magnet, where a small compass is moved, a magnetic line, the compass needle always set itself along the tangential to it. So a line drawn from the north pole of the compass needle to its south pole indicate the direction of magnetic field line, magnetic field at point. Dear student, if you take here a compass needle, this is north pole, this is south pole, then it repel and it attract. This shows the direction. Another you take another compass needle, this direction is. So this shows the direction of north pole, and this after joining these points is so. The magnetic field lines outer side passes to north pole to south pole, but in inner it passes to south pole to north pole. Dear student, in next video we will discuss magnetic field of Earth or electric magnetic effect of currents, that means electromagnetic. Thank you for watching. For more updates, stay tuned.